Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to resize a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get into the video. At first, select the video clip on the timeline that you want to resize. For example, we have this video clip but it's too small. Now we are going to resize it. Okay, let's move on. Now go to the Effect Controls. In the Effect Controls panel, locate the Scale property. Adjust the percentage to resize the video. For instance, setting it to 50% will reduce the video size by half. To maintain the video's original aspect ratio while resizing, ensure the uniform scale box is checked. That's it. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.